This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lori Strickland. Just completed. Ready to move in. First floor primary bedroom suite and additional bedroom and full bath on the first floor. Gourmet kitchen, extra large island with quartz countertops. 48 gas cooktop, open floor plan. Perfect for entertaining. Primary bathroom suite is spa-like, with marble and quartz. Walk-in attic space. 2 gas fireplaces. Large corner lot. Tankless hot water heater. Covered back porch. Hardwood floors. Neighborhood has 2 optional swim clubs, waterfront gazebo, walking trails, golf, and is close to shopping and entertainment. Homearama award-winning builder. For more information,